Meaning of Hogmanay.
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 Hogmanay. Hogmanay is a Scottish word that refers to the New Year's Eve celebrations. The origin of the term is not clear, but it is believed to have been derived from French, Norse, or Gaelic. Hogmanay is a significant event in Scottish culture and is celebrated with various traditions and customs. One of the most popular customs is the first footing, or the first person to enter a household after midnight brings gifts such as coal, shortbread, and whiskey. Hogmanay is an important occasion for Scots and reflects their unique cultural heritage.